Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to discuss about access parameter in transpose function. And what is the use of access parameter in transpose function? Let's understand first. Let's understand or let's revise transpose. What are the parameters it is taking and what will it return? So inside a transpose function, A represent input array, EAXES, not AXIS. Here we have to given the axis. By default, reverse the dimensions, otherwise permute the axis according to the value given. So what is the use of AXES means like we want to transpose a array according to our dimensions or according to our row and our columns. So means if we are there is two-dimensional array, then what will be the permutations value? Permutations value will be 0 1. Okay, if we are not putting any value, default value will be 1 0, but if we are putting a value inside it 0 1, it won't change. We will understand by using of some examples. Same cases in the case of 3D array. If we are doing 3D, so there are total 0 1 2 3 axes will be permutated inside a inside a axis. So how it will work, let's understand. In last example we have seen like 2D array. Okay, this is the 2D array. This is the 2D array, and now transpose it. Np dot transpose C comma AXES equal to, inside a axis we have to we can give if we want to change the axis, we can have to give the value into a tuple or a list. Tuple means parenthesis we have to use. For the list we have to use square bracket. Inside a parenthesis, like we have to give 1 comma 0. Now transpose it. Okay, now it is changing value from 2 rows and 5 columns. If I am giving value 0 comma 1, then it won't change, because we are default values of axes are 1 comma 0, and permuted values means two dimensional it's array, so there are permuted values 0 1 and 2. Okay, so we can give in value up to 0 1 or 1 0. If we are giving value 0 1, means it won't change, means 0 1 means axis 0, means here we are taking axis 0 means 5 rows, and axis 1 means it is taking as 2 columns, so it is giving a same value. If we are changing a 1 comma 0, means 1 means 1 what represent 1, which represent row. So row which represent column. So one is column, so column now converted into row, and row is converted into column. So this is the use of axis. Let's understand by using of 3D array. This is the 3D array, and we have to transpose it. AXES 0 comma 1 comma 2. Here you can find out that 0 represent rows. So there are, sorry, in the 3 cases 0 represent two array, one represent number of rows and four represent number of columns. So if we change the value, like now we will understand better. Here you can see 0 represent the 2, means array size. If we change it to 1 to 0, so what is the value of 1 at initial 3? So it will convert into 3 array 2. 2 means what is the value of 2 represent 4 columns. Now it will create 2 rows, and what the 0 represent? 0 represent array size here 2. Now it will convert into columns, so it will take columns. Here you can find out like 1 represent here, 1 represent at initial level row. Now it will represent array. So at initial 1 is equal to 3. So now axis 1 is equal to 3. So there will be a 3 rows, 3 arrays, 1, 2 and 3. Now 2. 2 what axis 2 what represent? 2 represent number of columns, means 4. Now it will inside, now it will represent number of rows, so it will represent 1 2 3 4. Now 0. 0 what represent? Axis 0 equal to 2. Now it will represent column, so there will be a 2 column. So in this way axis works. If there are total 4 dimensions, so accordingly values will be 0 1 2 3. We can change values according to our requirements. So that is the use of AXES in transpose. That's all for today. Keep learning and stay safe. Thank you very much.